Okay, so my name is PeterHan, grade 9 B block, and then this is invertebrates keynote. The first thing I did was Nadarians, and then the example name was strawberry anemones, and then the Latin name was Tilia lofotensis. Habit was rocky shore. It is attached to rocks and sometimes organisms, but then it eats small fish. Unique characteristic about Nadarians was it has smooth red body and columns of white dots. Also, it changes into different colors like red and yellow. The second example was flatworms, and then the name was planaria, and then Duxia. Habitat is river and lake, and then it eats organisms that live in water. Unique characteristic is that it can reproduce like by themselves if they get cut in half or something. So if flatworm gets cut in half, it could regenerate their body to like grow back to their full body, which is pretty cool. And the next example is true worms. The example name I did was earthworm, and then the Latin name is lumbrices. Habit is dirt, soil, earth, and then worms is really cool because they make their home inside dirt or soil, and then as they're making their home, they're gaining their energy. I can say because they eat soil and dirt. So as they go through dirt and soil, they are eating that for energy. Yeah. And the unique characteristic is that in a single worm there are about 100 metomeres. Yeah. And then mollusks. The example I did was snail, and then limax. Latin name is limax. Habit is wet soil and land. It eats vegetables and mostly green stuff. Leaves. Unique characteristic about snail is that it has smooth body, however it has a hard shell to protect overall. And then the fifth example was echinoderms, and then it's a type of like water organism. I did was starfish, and then Latin is taxonomy. Habitat is ocean, sea, water, and then it eats small organisms that live in water. And also, a unique characteristic about starfish is that even though it looks like that it's like stuck on rocks and it stays there and then gains food like that, but it doesn't. It actually moves around with its 5 arms, which can spread out to 10 centimeters where they want to head, which is really cool. That starfish could move around and catch their prey. Yeah. And then arthropods. Uh, I did spider, but then I couldn't find the Latin name. Yeah. And then habit. Well, I guess spiders live everywhere. They're even at my house somewhere. And then uh it eats insects and small mammals, sometimes small mammals. Unique characteristic is that without spiders, so to having spiders on Earth is a good thing because without spiders, insects would soon reach pest proportions, which is not good. And thanks for listening to my boring presentation. Yeah, we turn this off.